How to see recently viewed pins. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can see your recently viewed pins. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Pinterest, and you can actually open it up on your laptop or PC. You can also open it up on your phone. So the process is going to be quite similar, and you can do this on your iOS or if you're using Android. So what you need to do is you have to log into your Pinterest account and you will land right here. Now, what you need to do is you're going to click on your profile icon and it will take you to your profile. So in your profile, you're going to click on these three dots at the top and it will show you the profile settings and copy profile link. So you have to select settings from here. Inside your settings on your laptop, PC, or even on your phone, you will get this option which is known as Home Feed Tuner. You can see right here it's under Account Management. So I will select this option. Now it shows me my boards, and then we have at the top History. So you need to switch to the History and it will show you all of the pins that you viewed recently. You can see right here. These are all the pins that I was exploring earlier. So you can see this is my history. Now, I can check these pins out. If I want to delete them, I can also delete. You just have to click on turn off, and then we have the topics too. So you can see if you don't want pins you've looked at to impact your home feed, just click turn off. Don't worry, this won't delete pins you've saved. So this is just the history. It's not the pins that you have saved. Keep that in mind. And this is how you can check out the pins that you see on Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.